WhatsApp extends time limit to delete a message to 60 hours. WhatsApp now allows you to delete a message for up to 2 days and 12 hours, 60 hours in total, so you can remove an accidentally sent chat even after hours. Previously, this limit was 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 16 seconds. Yep, there were seconds involved. WhatsApp will now give more time to users to decide whether they want to delete a message they have sent to a contact or not. The company's tweet about this feature just mentioned little over 2 days, but didn't specify the 12-hour part. Highlights. WhatsApp will allow more time to users to delete a message. WhatsApp allowed only an hour for the users to unsend a message. iMessage, on the other hand, has reduced the time to unsend a message. Exit WhatsApp group privately, choose who can see you online. Zuckerberg. Meta founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg on Tuesday announced 3 key privacy features in WhatsApp, giving users more control over their conversations and added layers of protection when messaging. New features allow WhatsApp users to exit group chats without notifying everyone, control who can see when you're online, and prevent screenshots on View Once messages. We'll keep building new ways to protect your messages and keep them as private and secure as face-to-face conversations, said Zuckerberg. WhatsApp users will now be able to exit a group privately without having to notify everyone. Now, instead of notifying the full group when leaving, only the admins will be notified. This feature starts to roll out to all users this month, said the social network. WhatsApp also introduced the ability to select who can and can't see when you're online. The feature will start rolling out to all users this month. WhatsApp is also enabling screenshot blocking for View Once messages for an added layer of protection. Highlights. WhatsApp is getting new privacy-focused features. The messaging app now lets you hide your online status. The feature is being rolled out to everyone and will gradually reach to all the devices.